guys, I just need to move my chair a little bit more. Perfect. Mummy's in the video.
This is Aria's new toy. It's eggs, surprise eggs.
And it has like shapes and colours inside.
It's from B&M and it's called My First 12 Eggs.
And guess what, guys? I got this, what I really wanted. And guess what, guys? Our special announcement.
Drum roll, please.
On Saturday, July, it's going to be my birthday party. And on the Thursday, it's going to be my actual birthday, like opening my presents.
And where are you going for your birthday?
To the farm to see my favourite animal. I'll give you a hint. It's this person right here.
Moo.
It's a cow, because if a cow wasn't existed, how would we eat ice cream? So we got the Nickelodeon slime, and we have to read the collector's guide because we don't know what to do. Okay. You need a sweet. Okay, say add glue in the measuring cup. Okay, so I'm thinking that it said the 30 milliliter. So let's get the clear glue and keep pouring it until it's to the 3 milliliter.
You're squeezing it. I don't think you've took the finger off.
Wait, is there a thing on it?
Yeah, I think so.
No,
there is.
No.
Yes, there is.
Wait, what?
No, look. Hold on.
How?
It's getting all gooey.
It's
Screw it on.
fine. Okay.
It's sticky.
It looks
it's
like
not fun.
It looks like a contact lens.
Look, solution.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to put it to this milliliters. We need to put it to this 30 milliliters. I know my math. Okay, where is the way? Okay. Okay.
Oh, wow. Good. Let's keep them on.
Okay. Daddy's having some technical issues. Dad, one thing, you're not allowed to swear in the videos because it's for kids.
He didn't. He went, what the? We're doing a YouTube video.
Oh, guys, I think I did a little bit.
I guarantee, like a spoon's deflected and the water's
I think
gone on
that's enough. Oh, it says you need a spoon.
Go get one then.
Oh, let's put it together. Let's see if they have any spoons left.
And these are the surprise eggs I was talking about. She's opening them all up and then she's going to put them back together. There's different colours and different shapes. What about the wooden spoons? Are they on the side?
Oh, yeah.
Mama knows. Mama knows. So yeah, now she's putting them back together and putting them back in the egg box. Maybe that's the wrong one, hun.
Exactly. There's no more spoons left, but I got this from my neon rock decorator.
Very clever.
It's a little stick. So,
Yellow,
I
yellow.
shouldn't touch it.
Yellow,
It
yellow.
smells good for some reason. Okay, what do you need to do next? Okay. Add glitter glue. Okay. So we get to pick our glitter now. I'm going to pick blue, pink. I think I want this one. I'm actually gonna make 2 slimes because I want to see how it turns out. If it's good, then I hope it's not a fail because we do slime differently. I think that's enough.
Yep. Good girl, well done.
This is what Ari's doing. She's playing with her toys.
No, it's red and
Mama, say hi. Hi.
that one.
Okay, so as we, I'm actually gonna put it here. Okay. So now it's time to put some blue in. Blue. I'm gonna put some blue in. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some green in. I need to put some green in.
That one and that one.
You just keep on twisting it and twisting it and twisting it and twisting it and twist. Is it the wrong way? Yeah, it's the wrong way. Twisting it, twisting it, twisting it. No, it's the right way. twisting it and twisting it and twisting it and twisting it. Twisting. Ah, it's not working. Okay, Mom's gonna put that one on. And then I'm also gonna put some green in because I like green.
And not that one. Not that one.
Guys,
Sweet.
please tell me I did it right.
Okay. Twist.
Okay, so I'm going to be looking at the director's guide. I'm so sad I don't have my emoji glasses. Okay. Add water. I'm guessing they mean.
No, what's it say? Sweetness.
It says add glitter glue and then add tap water.
Add tap water.
Tap water.
It says add 30 millilitres of tap water. Okay, so 30
I thought
millilitres.
they meant this.
No, that's the activator, hun.
Okay.
So you got to put that in there and then measure out 30 millilitres.
Put it in there. Okay.
You looking for the moon?
It says to put it in here. Go. Okay.
Hold on. Let me look. That's the wrong one. That and that. That and that.
Okay. Get it out. Oh, that looks goopy. Oh! It went right on my lap. Oh no. That means I get meanie. Okay. Oh, okay.
It's not that one, sweet.
Get
it's that
it
one.
all out.
Look. It's that one.
Should we mix it?
That and that.
Should we mix it, Mum?
You can mix it and then add the water.
Okay.
That's it. Twist. What's going on?
I should add more, like, kind of shimmer or something. I'm adding more shimmer because that's not enough. That's just not enough. Okay, they need to add some more. Ah! Do. Okay, guys, I need to add some more because he doesn't like sparkles. Just natural sparkles. I love sparkles. You guys know this.
Look at the rain. We washing. Oh, I could cry.
I told you it was going to rain today. You didn't listen.
Oh, but my washing would have been like dry. Oh, for God's sake.
Ooh, this looks good. You guys, this is a preview of my slime.
That's right.
Okay. Keep on mixing it, please. Okay. Wait, we should call these kids something on the TV, on this thingy.
What do you mean?
With these kids on here. So this one can be Mason, this one can be Ellie.
Ellie and Mason.
Okay.
Hi, Ellie. Hi, Mason. My God, oh my God. I'll just speak me tongue.
That's already right.
Look at the weather.
Guys, here's the oven. I'll show you.
Oh, I'm getting vexed now. I should have just took the washing in.
I told you.
Do you know what I mean? If we just would have took it in 5 minutes ago, it would have been sound. Okay, let's look for the positive. I came home from Mum's before this happened.
So this is what Aria's egg looks like, and when you open it, there's a little shape inside, and that's the colour. So, Aria, do you want this back? Okay. Oh.
Look at the weather. I only wish I knew.
Okay, so it says water.
So you need to go and get water. Don't put it up there, you nut job.
Well,
Your hands all sticking out. Well done. Actually, it's cold water. We need 30 millilitres. What's the matter? What's wrong? What have you done? Okay, it's all right. Calm down. You go on. Go on. It was just a shower, everyone. Guys. Well,
I got it.
Get it off your
Should we pour it in? Just say to pour it in.
hold on, 30 millilitres. That's too much. You need it to be.
Yeah.
Oh, you've done it right.
How dirty your feet are.
Have you put all...
Get this boy with it. Daddy, I don't have wet feet.
Dave, put the water in.
Okay, so we're supposed to mix it.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's going mad because she's got glue on her hand.
It's
so
working.
dramatic, Aria.
It's
It's all better now.
not working.
Yeah, but you still need to put activator in it. Let me just read. I'm sure you are. So add the tap water, yeah. Once the glue and tap water are fully combined, add 10 millilitres of slime activator. Yeah.
Slime activator now?
When it's all mixed together nicely, is it all mixed together nicely?
Yeah.
Then the 10 millimetres. What's this at the bottom?
That's glue.
Okay, so you just to 10. So not loads. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that my jeans.
I've still got the thing on.
Guys,
The sun has come out.
this is my new...
The sun will come out.
Can you let me finish? These are my new nails. I got orange.
And who did them?
You always do my nails on Friday. Should I pour it in?
Yeah.
Yabba dabba doo.
Oh, right, love, calm down.
Me?
Noah,
Yabba dabba doo.
chill your beats. Chill.
Oh, I think it's working. It's worked! Guys.
Keep mixing it though, because it needs to combine with all of the glue. Give it a good mix, mix, mix.
Agitate, agitate. Does whatever agitate does. Do, 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 do. Look how pretty this is.
Pretty.
It's like all sparkles. Dad, you do not like slime. Get out of here. You want to
Daddy
be
didn't make
noticed
an
in the
appearance?
video?
Daddy's made an appearance.
Hello, Daddy. Yes. Get out of
I think he
here.
looks like the old
Get
Ben
out of
Mitchell.
here. Get out of here, Squidward. Get out of here, Squidward.
Oh.
That is my daddy.
Oh, that's looking nice and thick and stretchy. That's how we want slime
Well,
to be.
if some women's daughter is watching this video and you think my dad's attractive, my mom has to say a few couple things.
Don't.
And back off.
Back off. I kill you.
Okay. You're probably just being friends with me to be with my dad, but that's not happening.
Not.
Mom, this is the perfect slime.
I know, I can see
we
the
should
perfect
get
consistency.
this. We should get this kit again.
Well, it's your pocket money. You can do what you want.
Mom, do you want to make one?
No, thanks. I'm okay.
No, I'll make one for you.
Well, you can make one for me. That's great.
Okay, so just say what you want in, and then.
Okay, but you need to say goodbye on the camera now because of the memory, and then you can make another one.
Okay, goodbye, guys.